inside view of the van with the roof down. With the roof up. So externally, you can see on the roof there's a brand new solar panel, some roof racks. You have the fitting for putting out an outside shower that connects to the two water tanks on the inside there, and over here you have an external fitting for the gas. We have the external power source for the 220, and including that is a jack here for plugging in an external movable solar panels. Tires are new, the general grabbers all-terrain tires. The van has a heavy-duty removable tow bar option, and the whole van has been beautifully clean and properly sealed off. The vehicle has a 1600 diesel turbocharged motor. I ran a full diagnostic on this a month ago, and it's got absolutely clean billing. The battery has been recently replaced. The mileage is 59,992. It has tire pressure monitoring system here, and the Android iPhone Connect, which I've just recently installed. All those connections, and the switch converts it into the reverse camera. Inside view of the van, the driving area. The vehicle has 6 forward gears with a special eco mode, which gives very good fuel consumption, very good visibility all around, and is exceptionally comfortable to drive and travel in. I haven't started the van for 2 or 3 days. Let's see how it starts. Instant start. See, it's quite a big bump, but it's got good solid suspension.